Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my front porch. It's spring, as you can see. I have some flower blooming guys, and I have a lot of cleaning to do. And I have my it's a peacock. Alright guys, this video is in collaboration hosted by Marlene Home and Garden, co-host Living Judy Style with Gigi Faison, and G Mom Creation, myself, Mercy Beauty of Styles. So they asked me to decorate my front porch, and I have to add a fresh plant on it, like living plant. So I'm going to leave the link of everybody in the description box down below. After I finish to watch my video, feel free to go check the ladies to see how they decorate their front porch. Okay guys, let's get into the video. As you can see, my peacock, so this one I bought it from Diddy's a while ago. I didn't know what to do with it, so I put it in here. So I think it's cute, so it doesn't do any harm to my decor or anything. Is so pretty and I like it. And guys, as you can see, I have some light going on down there, and I have some printing to do. And my son didn't give me good work when he paint on the walkway, so I'm not doing anything with it yet, but I'm going to do something in the upcoming videos. So as you can see, I have some flower blooming, so I'm gonna cut to make the front porch very nice. Alright guys, and the first thing I'm going to do is to cut those flowers. I'll let them go taller because I wanted to see those blooming, those flower blooming, but it's time for me to cut them and to make the front entrance very new again. And one of the things I like to do whenever I move to a house, I always, if I like the paint, I just chip something somewhere just to have a color match. So as you can see, so I have my palm tree that giving me a lot of dry leaf, which is I don't like, but you know, and it make the front of the house pretty, so I just keep cleaning after. So guys, as you can see, so my son is helping me power wash the front driveway, so not driveway, the walkway, so whatever they call it. Okay guys, so he's helping me do all those things guys. It was dirty, and the under the mat is just like, even I broom it, but you still can see a lot of dirt build up and everything. So spring is the time for you guys to clean up, declutter, and do whatever you could do during the cold season. So I really like how this pressure washer work, and I don't have to do so much work, and then it just do the work by itself. And I was showing my son just to not leave anything, so just make sure to just put the pressure washer and then just clean everything. And guys, having a pressure washer is kind of not expensive because this one I got it on sale on Amazon. I thought it was like $60, something like that. It is not the most powerful, but it get the job done for what I needed at this moment. I went to Burlington to get some decor, something new. And guys, and I left those things in the car because I didn't want to go back and go inside with them and bring them back. So I just leave them in the car for when the time that I need to use them. This flower was so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I paid $16.99 for it. It's pretty nice. And those boxwood, I guess they are, I got them a long time ago from Walmart. So I'm going to add a little bit in the wreath that I have. And this is the mat that I have. Say welcome. They have a lot of things over there, but this one is the one that I like the most because it's not too much, and I just like the welcome sign on it. And this one is I'm going to do double mat. And this planter, I'm going to use it to put the fresh plant, the natural plant that Marlene asked us to put. So I already have other plant, but this one I think is most convenient for me to see that I add another plant, and then it's cute, and I love the swang, and everything is nice. So decorating, adding a pillow is something very nice that I like to do. In my garland, as you can see, it's not the garland, it's a wreath. I just put extra thing on it. Okay guys, that's my double mat. Make the front porch very nice. This is the finished look what I have so far. And guys, it's not big because I have a small entryway, but I did my best to make my entryway look very nice, very welcoming. When somebody come into my home, they will see that the house said, okay, welcome, come in. So I really love how everything turns out. So if that's something that you like, so make sure to give me a big thumbs up and share the love, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. We've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. I really love how this one turns out, guys. The song is very nice and the flower make it beautiful. And guys, I love this box as well. People might say it's too much, but me, I love it here because not only you can sit on it, it's like a place for it's very functional. And another thing again, people from Amazon put my stuff on it when it's raining, which is a second double good thing. And the third one, I put shoes inside because I don't like people walking shoes in my home. So shoe cover inside, though people can just put cover on the shoes or put slipper on. I really love it. So I just put it because it's a very functional thing to put in front of my thing. Those are the box wood that I add in the wreath. So I see and I know, and you can see it's very beautiful, better than it was. I don't like the thing up there that hanging the wreath hanger. I don't like it. That's why I prefer put this one. It's a clear hook I got from Dollar Tree, guys. Only 99 125 for 4. So I just put 2 on in, and they're very heavy duty, so it's good for now because it's not going nowhere. So those is my full plant, and it's gonna stay there until all the plant that I'm growing are tall enough to just switch it. But as of for now, I didn't want to buy any other plant because I'm growing some in my new garden that I'm making in the backyard, guys. And those flowers, as you can see, I cut them because I finished to enjoy everything. And the palm tree up there, oh my goodness, they have some leaf. I have somebody coming to cut them, but I needed to make the video. And guys, every day is Christmas for me. And my front yard, you can see so many colors, so many different colors, and make the nighttime very nice. And I love everything about it, guys. So you don't have to wait for Christmas. You can be Christmas every day at your home. Most of the time I have the other color, the natural color, just for the driveway, like this one, if somebody come in so they can see everything. The red one is mostly for Christmas. I left it for Christmas, but every day you're gonna see this exact color. That's the way my house is every day, and that's the daytime. And I really love everything about my home. Okay guys, I think that's the end of the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.